Hello, Cordell Davenport here with Small Apartment Inspector. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make sure your small apartment building is safe. So if you are the ones that is actually managing the property, you want to keep it safe for your tenants for multiple reasons. And you don't want to get sued. So if you do your best to keep your property safe, that can limit your choices. Limit the times that someone can try to sue you. But before I go ahead and talk to you about what's the steps, I want to talk about the mobile app that I have. If you go to smalapartmentinspector.com, you read everything about it, its benefits, why it's different, and so forth. And in a nutshell, this is what it does. Building exterior checklist. Checklists are very important. Preventive maintenance checklist, a questionnaire for maintenance, tenant move in, move out reports with digital signatures, all on a computer, all on the app, all in the cloud, no more paper. Make unit ready checklist and yearly unit inspection checklist. Okay. Ask yourself, would I or a member of my family feel reasonably safe here at night or alone? If I were a thief or an assailant, how difficult would it be to gain access and approach a tenant? Ideas for safety. Schedule your assessment walks at different times of the day. Why? Well, you will see different things at 10 p.m. versus 10 a.m., things you won't even notice. Have the exterior lighting directed at entranceways and walkways that comes on at a set timer or if motion is initiated. Now, this applies also to hallways, interior lights, garages, stairways, etc. Have sturdy deadbolt locks and solid window and patio door locks. Have an intercom and buzzer systems that allows a tenant to control the opening of the front door. More ideas, yay. Overgrown landscaping that provides a hiding spot. Your landscaping needs to be designed and maintained so that it's neat and compact. It should not be obscure or anything like that. You don't want to have hiding places for people to jump out and do certain things. And if possible, install fences and automatic gates. 24-hour internal security systems with cameras. You don't need any audio, just visual. That's it. SmallApartmentInspector.com. Go ahead, read all about it. Take care, y'all.